Okay, this video is going to have a look at how to do multiplication in Excel. We've prepared a core video template for this. So we've got our sale price of 3 items, the DMA Bluon at 5, Mintel EX at 4.5, and the W460C at 10, and we've got the amount of each one that we've sold. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to format these cells. So I could have just put a $sign in front of each one initially, but a better way is highlight the cells that you want. We can go up to number and click on the formatting, or we can right click, choose format cells, and we're going to change it to currency. Gives us a sample. We want 2 decimal places. This gives us a lot of other options if we want to change our formatting to other currencies. So, if we're using different fonts, we can, tell it, or currencies, we could basically say, hey, we want it in Australian dollars. Or Swedish krona, Turkish lira, euros, and so on. Or English New Zealand dollars. And we can also choose how we want it to display negative numbers. So we're just going to leave it like that. And now we've got our decimal points. If we want to increase the decimal points, we can add that. When it turns into a hash, means the column is not wide enough. So we can either drag and make it wider, or if we double click, it will extend that cell out to be the width it needs. So let's just go back to 2 decimal points. We've got our amount sold, and we're going to multiply this by this. So that, it should give us $15. But if we change this number, this is not automatically updating. So we're just going to undo those. Now to start a formula, we're going to press equals, and then we're going to click on the first cell that we want. There's a star for multiplication, so the asterisk, and then the second cell. So we're doing C3 times D3. And because one of these is a currency, it is going to, we know that the result needs to be currency. If we do need to change it into something else, we can force it to be. So now we've got that formula. So I've got that first one right. We're going to click on the little fill handle, which is that little square in the bottom right corner, and drag that down. And that's copied that formula for us. So this one is now, the next row goes C4 times D4. And the one below, C5 times D5. We're just going to add a total. And so we're just going to use the auto sum equals sum, open bracket, and then highlight the range. So E3 to E5. And now we have our total. We could make that stand out a little bit. Maybe make it bold. Maybe that's sort of blue. Now, key things we've done here is if we've got numbers, the columns, numbers always generally go on the right. So the column heading for that should be on the right as well. So we might just put that as total, and we're going to right align that one. And we can change the alignment to be at the top if we need to. Always be consistent. If you want to add borders, we can highlight our different areas. Select the outside borders, or you can choose draw border and then just be able to draw the lines that you want. And obviously there's an eraser tool if you want to remove parts. So quite quickly, and then to stop that, just hit escape. We've got a nice little layout for our form. Obviously we should need to put a title in this. We can merge and center. Might want to make that 24 points, make it bold so it stands out. And now we've got a nice table showing the graphics card sold and basically our revenue.